Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, if your Messenger video call background is not showing, here are some steps to fix the issue. Step number one is to update the app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Messenger installed from the App Store or Google Play Store. Outdated versions may not support background features. Step number two is to enable background effects. During a video call, tap your screen to reveal options. Tap the effects icon, usually a smiley face or sparkles. From there, choose a background or effect. If backgrounds are disabled, enable them from this menu. Step number three is to check camera permissions. Go to your device's settings, tap on Apps, then Messenger, then click on Permissions. Ensure that camera and microphone permissions are enabled. Step number four is restart Messenger. Close the Messenger app completely and reopen it to see if the background features works. And lastly is to check device compatibility. Some older devices or lower-end smartphones might not support video call backgrounds. So make sure your device supports Messenger's video background features. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!